What does it mean to be Titan tough? Lately, ang dami nating nakitang TikTok or Reels where you see a phone being thrown on the floor, a phone used to open a coconut by SB19, or minsan, pinapakuluan pa. And I get it, durability test fatigue is real and you're probably thinking, Tito James, isa pa to, no? And yeah, it is. But being tough and having a good phone is the hard part because you actually want to use it for the next couple of years, and I think the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus ticks a lot of the boxes to cover both those points. So let's start off this video by addressing the elephant in the room. You've seen the drops, given na yun, but most tough phones are rated for 1.2 or 1.5 meters. The Note 15 Pro Plus has SGS Premium Performance Certification or 2.5 meter drop resistance. And I'm sure if you've looked into this phone at all, nakita niyo ng mga ginawa nila during the launch. So I wanted to see genuine reactions from people who don't usually drop test. So here's our newest creator on Unbox, Syra. Guys, this is Syra. Bago namin content creator sa Unbox. First day niya. And her first task is, I will have her drop the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. So, are you ready to drop test the phone?
I'm totally ready because I've been doing it a lot.
Okay, let's go. Gentle muna, parang out of pocket. Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1, drop!
Ooh!
Buhay pa ba?
Buhay pa, buhay pa.
Buhay pa. Okay.
Wow! Isa pa?
Isa pa daw.
Okay, ready?
Go! Oh!
Uy, wala! Galing!
Try mo above your head.
Oh my God.
Okay, ready?
Nakabahan ako.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, wala.
Wala. Buksan mo yung screen para makita nila.
What?
Buksan mo yung screen.
Okay.
O guys ha, screen protector lang yan. Lumitaw lang yung screen protector niya. Hindi yan basag ha? Ay, wait. Focus ka muna. Camera, focus ka muna. Hindi nagpo-focus si camera. Ayun. Ayan ha. Screen protector lang yan. Ah, auto-focus siya. Ayan. Guys, screen protector lang yung lumitaw. Kung nakita nyo, yung nakita nyo, you might have seen lang is screen protector na lumitaw lang. Pero no cracks, no nothing. Please focus camera. Yan. May sa upper right, lumitaw yung screen protector. But the screen itself, 100% safe. So, kamusta naman ang first drop test experience natin?
Okay, so good. Ang galing. May ganito palang phone.
Isa pa, dahil hindi nag-focus yung camera ko na mabuti, we did another test with a random person around the BGC.
Okay, so we're here with Crystal. Sige, this is a Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus ang haba. So, ibagsak mo lang siya. Tignan natin kung durable nga siya, kung Titan tough nga siya. Screen down, no? Screen down. Pero buhay pa, okay lang yan. Go lang. Yeah? Buhay pa, buhay pa.
Buhay pa.
Oh, yan! Buhay pa. Proof of buhay pa.
Working pa.
Oh.
Happy to report that this phone survived. And that's because it uses Redmi's Titan structure, high-strength aluminum, and a reinforced motherboard. But there's something you should also think about. So this is the mocha brown variant, and it uses vegan leather. So why does that matter? Because glass can be slippery at sabi nga ni Zach of Jerry Rig Everything, glass is glass and glass shatters. And this texture and material is not just for looks, it's actually functional. It's grippy, it's premium, and most importantly, it doesn't shatter. Now, if you want to see how this phone performs with its Snapdragon 7S Gen 4 processor, there's already a full review on the website and of course a video on this channel, so make sure you click on the description down below or on the corner of the screen for that video. But I do want to feature something else that makes this phone Titan tough. And it's the fact that the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus has an IP69K rating. I think common knowledge na kung ano yung IP rating, pero ano yung K? It means that a Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus can survive high pressure, high temperature water jets, which is why you've also seen videos na pinapakuluan yung phone. Combine that with the fact that this phone has Wet Touch 2.0, meaning you can use this while it's wet. So if you're a rider or kung gusto nyo lang mag-reply sa mga message habang naliligo kayo, that is a useful feature and not just a gimmick. But for me and the team, the real Titan feature here is the battery life. Now, as a recap, this has a 6,500 milliamp hour battery, and it's a legit 2-day phone that lasted almost 24 hours with our battery benchmarks. And because this has 100 watt hypercharge, you're gonna be back to 100% in about 40 minutes. But here's one more thing that I think nagpapasulit dito sa Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus that not a lot of people are talking about. It's the Xiaomi Philippines Protection Package. So you're not just getting the phone, you get a 4-year battery replacement warranty, 2 years of liquid damage coverage, and 2 years of front and back cover replacement. So if you need a guarantee that your phone will last until at least 2030, this safety net is actually worth looking into aside from the specs. Pero take note that this is only available to people who will purchase the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus until Feb 28. At the end of the day, Titan Tough isn't just about drop tests and fancy stunts brands do for promotions. To be fair, it's great for marketing and getting attention for their new devices, but it's also about the overall reliability of the phone. And again, make sure you check out our review for the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus in the description down below or in the corner of the screen to help you find out if this phone is right for you. But if the Titan toughness of the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus helps you decide kung ito na nga yung phone para sa'yo, remember yung Xiaomi Philippines Protection Package hanggang Feb 28 lang yan. So that's pretty much it for this video. My name is Tito James. Peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next one.